What's up, dudes? It's me, Mr.Airon here, the cool dude here, and today we're gonna be playing The Sparks Dark, and it's it's a cool game, and it's remixed by Wolf Game 9000 and original game Diamond Fox 9579. So, yeah, let's go. Whoa. That's cool. Yeah, like this game. Alright, credit to Diamond Fox 9579, version 1.0, created by Wolf Game 9000. Okay, so, let's do a start game. Alright. What?
It's so dark. I hear it.
What?
It's so dark.
I can't see any.
No. It's so scary. He's trying to get me. I can't see anything. It's so dark. I don't know what? It's just so dark. It's so dark.
I can't see anything in the cameras.
It's so dark. It's so dark. I just don't know. I told you. It's so scared. It's so dark.
Oh God.
My brother just killed me. So why is it so dark over here?
I don't know. What?
Where's it's so dark.
Oh my God. Okay. Ah! Okay. Oh my God. It was so dark out there. Alright, so let's check the original game that made yeah, I think let's check this. The factory. Yeah, this might be the original project. So yeah, let's play the original, then we'll end the video. The factory official is what it says. Okay. Created by Diamond Fox 9579. Created by Rava. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Alright. Get that. Whoa. Alright. Yeah, this is the original project. Mr. Fox. P. Fox. Alright. Alright. Oops, I didn't mean to click that. Right. There we go. Right. Nope. Alright. Oh. Right. Got this. Uh-oh. Ah. Okay. Well, guess that was it. Okay, another jump scare. Alright, so that was the Sparks Dark and the original project, which is the factory. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and also like, and I'll leave a comment down below. Save my videos and also click the bell notifications, and also check out one of my videos in the video chart, and also share the video and follow me on Instagram. And so, Mr. Aaron out. Peace.